Greetings, beloved, and welcome back to Love as a Strategy. I'm Amy. Last time we talked about catching yourself before you react. But let's be real. We're human, and sometimes we miss the pause. Sometimes the stress wins. We snap at our partner, we shut down a direct report, or we let our ego run the meeting. The myth of love before all is that it requires perfection, but it doesn't. What it requires is repair. Today, we are operationalizing the apology. We're moving away from the ego protection and towards true connection. We've all heard the safe apology. It sounds a little like this. I'm sorry if you felt disrespected, or I'm sorry, but I was just really stressed. That is not an apology. That is a defense mechanism wearing a disguise. When you use the word if, you are questioning the other person's reality. And when you use the word but, you are centering your own intent over the impact on the other. In the Love Before All framework, impact always matters more than intent. To operationalize love, we need a rigorous way to clean up our messes. Trust is actually built in the repair. So here is the Love Before All repair framework. It avoids the ifs and focuses on action. It has 3 steps. First, state the event. Be specific. Don't be vague. Say exactly what happened. For example, in a staff meeting, I interrupted you while you were presenting the data. Or during our conversation earlier, I completely dismissed your experience. Step 2, own the impact. And that is where you empathize. Acknowledge what your action did to them without making it about you. For example, I can see that it undermined your authority in front of the team and likely make you feel unheard. Step 3, recommitment. That is how you operationalize love. Love is a verb, is an action. Tell them how you will change your behavior next time. So for example, my commitment is to amplify your voice. Next time, I will take notes and hold my questions until you're finished. Notice what wasn't in there. No excuses, just accountability and care. A relationship that has survived a rupture and been repaired is often stronger than one that has never been tested. So your practice this week, should you choose to accept it, is to operationalize the repair. Look at a lingering rupture in your life and use the framework. State the event, own the impact, and recommit. Thank you for joining me for real practices, real leadership, love in action. Until next time, grow in love and grow with love.